Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Who says we don't love nature in the City of Angels? Really? Everyone pitched in over 2 years, from $10 donations to $300,000 in one hit, to raise $1 million to protect 17 acres of heaven in the Hollywood Hills from becoming McMansions. Special thanks to co-founder of the Eagles, Don Henley, who gave $100,000 in his late friend and fellow co-founder of the Eagles, Glenn Fry's name. This habitat is crucial for the few remaining mountain lions, bobcats, and deer of the Santa Monica Mountains. The land will be under the Mountain Recreation and Conservation Authority's jurisdiction, permanently preserved. No development, a wee pocket of wilderness. Yeah, baby! Hooray for nature and for all the nature lovers in Los Angeles and elsewhere. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be bashful. Come on to drreese.com, DRREESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of splendid books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, life, the wonder of it all, and save nature now. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.